Let's take a look, guys, at the updates for BTC because we reached my target, first target, 76. So everything good. I hope with correction or without correction by middle of May, we can reach 81 or 82K to close the CMA gap and just a basic gap. We get problems. We get problems with liquidations. Of course, it's not necessary, so we have to dump and grab all liquidity because it's physically impossible if we all the time come back to main liquidity pools. We just stay in the range whole history. That's why on the 24-hour time frame, guys, we got a lot of liquidations over than 76, 126 on the Binance futures because the people who opened a short position exactly at the round number 76, they put a stop loss just $100, for example, up, depends on the leverage. And this can be like a trigger for one more short squeeze up to the high targets by end of the May. Now, by end of even the April. Before the CCP and the Donald Trump meeting, I think we will see the high price targets. All right. If we go back to the weekly time frame liquidation, you can find the big cluster of the liquidations below. It's 70K. At least it's given us the information. So 70K is really a strong support level. So there's no liquidations like 66, 69, or 68 or whatever, right? That's why the K point like support can be 70 because it's just like psychological trick. So the people all the time buy at the round, trying to buy at the round numbers and sell at the round numbers and the stop losses added to the round numbers. That's why we get like a big cluster of liquidation around the 70K. And I think we'll come back to these levels a little bit later, but not now. Like you can see on the weekly time frame, this chart on Bitstamp still relevant. I add my just a vertical line by timing, just a hypothetical timing when we'll see the meeting of Donald Trump at CCP. And after that, I think we will see one more leg down on the BTC. I hope we go into the moon like usual, but probably we will see something like this one, this. Maybe even 85. Maybe we're gonna even test the order block. It's like 89K, 90K, 200. Everybody starts talking about 100K again, and it's gonna be the trap for the summer. And we can dump once again the third wave down, like 1, 2, 3 down to the 52K, 366 to this order block and the sweep liquidity of 52K. August 24, maybe I don't know, guys. The bottom, everybody's showing, literally everyone showing the bottom, like we go in the bracket to the 30K, to the 40K, to the I don't know. I just don't know how it works. So if everybody now play in experts, like, oh, it was so obvious, why the same guys screaming here, we go into the moon to the 250K. And now like, oh, what are you talking about? What the bounce to the 85K? We should drop to the 30K. So the same guy just a few months ago screaming to go into the moon to the 150 or 200. So the crypto space is just, I don't know, it's just mind-blowing. So that's why now I'm not post something in Twitter because it just don't make sense. I even not read Twitter. The K point, guys, this block. This is a gap on a weekly time frame, but mostly we will come back and close. I showed you already the example with the trade on indicator, the signal to buy 1, 2, 3 times in history, the 4. But of course, we cannot count the December 11. 3 times in history, we got a signal to buy. What happened after that? You can see on the chart. Here, it was January 25, and we go in a sideways, 2 years. But of course, we can't compare the 2026 and 2015. But imagine the smile if we go like this one to August 2028, for example. Possible. But I don't think so. Because the market works now faster, the more liquidity now in the crypto. This was a signal to buy. Now we got the same signal to buy. It was just at the beginning of March. I showed you. Globally, my target for BTC, conservative 139K, is still relevant. So the daily, guys, daily, it looks like a wedge. Yes, it looks like a wedge, and it can be the Wyckoff. Wyckoff accumulation. So when we pump like this one, form the top, and after that form the spring, and only after, I don't know, end of the summer, we can form something like this one. Really, and in August, there's going to be the spring, and in August we start climbing up to the top to break the structure and maybe a new high in some 27. We will see. We will see. It's so obvious, I think. So the BTC will hit the new all-time high, right? Because now, once again, full YouTube is in videos like, oh, Bitcoin is a Ponzi. We go into the zero. Every single downtrend, I see the same content every single time. That's why it's not a news. So I would like to show you the take profit, guys. We already retested the buy line, so I don't see any reason why we have to dump now due to the fundamental value of this stock. I don't see any reason. Only if the United States began the big military operation in Iran on land, maybe. And even in this case, I showed you examples how for the last 2 times when United States invasion, into other country on a land operation ended for the markets. So the daily, guys, the buy line is going down. It's one more a reason why I think we will rebound higher and only after that drop it down. Why? Because here, this is a take profit line. Now it's 96. In the next few weeks, by 18 May, the take profit line can be at 89, at 90K. So this is, for me personally, looks logical. Dump like this one and the downtrend at 47, 52, 47. That's why I want to show you the Ethereum BTC chart. Now a lot of people also use the fractal. Like now this situation. So we zoom out here. Downtrend, drop, rebound, this tiny consolidation and pump and consolidation again. I saw the example, so the people think this is a dismal, this fractal. Dump, bounce, consolidation, and we should skyrocket. I use just the fractal bars, and I can't find the similarity between. So how do people count it? So this one, maybe, but in this type of position, we're not playing out. So here, looks like, yes, identical price action. Similar, right? Maybe we can adjust it like this one. And we stop it, we not pump it. So it doesn't work. It doesn't work. How do people want to build it now? This one, I don't know. I don't know exactly where and how do people find the similarities, in that fractals. And I explained it. It can be the trap, guys. When the people want to see the bullish patterns, they're gonna find it. If you needed to find the bearish pattern, you're gonna find it. So don't be the hostage of the your imagination. I would like to show you the take profit and the trade on. The same story, guys. I think we can go higher to 38 level by Fib by end of the May, and some altcoins will perform, some not. It's on a weekly. Your take profit line of 0.0436. BTC can hit the for example 89K, and the Ethereum can perform here, and we go into the summer to the buy line. Buy line are going to be here again. The fact we will retest the buy line on a weekly, I think it's 90%, maybe even this year. So the buy line now is 0.021. So the idea is still the same. See this double top local one this May, and drop this summer to the buy line. That's why if you bought altcoins, track the Ethereum BTC pair, and don't be so greedy to at least withdraw initial deposit. Monthly time frame. What only one reason personally for me, if we will see something like similar to the DeFi summer of 2017. This one. So the March, April, May 17. This was January, February, March. Now it's April and we're still not pumping. That's why the top is here. If we will see, I will be more than happy. So BTC can hit, for example, 89. Okay, going down into correction this summer, and the alts perform a whole summer, right? Last time it's performed until end of June, beginning of the June, and here in August, in June we start dumping. Yes, that's why I hope, of course, to see something similar and dump. After that, it was December 17, and we pumped it 2 months again. So maybe something like this. We will see. But be ready to withdraw initial deposit on your altcoins. Write in the comment what you think about BTC. Are we go down from now to the buy line, or we go to the take profit line first, and only after that to the buy line? Write in the comment. If you'd like to trade with this custom indicator set, I will show it in this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.